Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the best tips and guides for using X. In today's video, we'll show you how to bookmark a reply to a thread in X. Bookmarking replies is a convenient way to save and easily access important or interesting comments. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the app on your device and ensure you are on the home screen. Step 2. Go to a post. This might be a bit tricky, but make sure to tap on an area of the post that is not a picture or a context. This action will open a menu with more details about the post. Step 3. Scroll down to the replies. These are the comments or responses from other users on the post. Step 4. Tap on the share icon. This icon is usually represented by an arrow pointing upwards or a box with an arrow. Tapping on it will open a menu with various sharing options. Step 5. Look for and tap on the bookmark option. This action will save the specific reply to your bookmarks, allowing you to easily access it later. And there you have it. You have successfully bookmarked a reply to a thread in X. This feature enables you to save and organize important or interesting comments for future reference. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to bookmark a reply to a thread in X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more X-related tutorials.